have some hot takes on beat selling. Hot take number 1. I don't think that you need a YouTube channel at all to sell beats. This is why. I don't think I've ever sold a beat to somebody that was actually subscribed to me on YouTube, because most of the people subscribed to me on YouTube are beat makers. I've noticed this circle that younger beat makers will do that are trying to get going. The first step is you start an informational channel on how to sell beats. Step 2, the people that watch that informational channel on how to sell beats start to stream your type beats that are already on the channel. Step 3, because you're getting those streams on the type beats, you start a second type beat channel. Send everybody over there, and now that second type beat channel has grown. You go over there and tell them, look, I grew this type beat channel that nobody knew about, even though they told the initial group that was watching it in the first place. They know anybody new coming in is going to believe them, and then they start the process all over again. See, it's not about luck. It's all about skill. It's all about having the right beats. It's all about taking my course. It's all about following this procedure. I don't think you need a YouTube channel at all. Does it help? I think so. Do you need one? I don't think so. That's anecdotal, take it with a grain of salt, but I really don't think so. Hot take number 2. The algorithm is so smart, I don't think it's necessary to niche down anymore. I think that it knows exactly what you're trying to do, and YouTube is pushing smaller creators like you wouldn't believe. Now is the best time to be on YouTube. Hot take 3. I don't think that you can grow a type beat channel unless you're actually in the videos. I know that people have done it. Most of them started this a long time ago. As for us, the newbies, I think that it's necessary for you to be on camera. Why? Because I cannot build an emotional connection with a type beat channel. I just can't. I love 27 Hearts beats. I don't really know what they do outside of the beat making stuff because I never built an emotional connection to 27 Hearts beats. I just like the beats, but I don't watch them as often as I watch people who I have an emotional connection with. Hot take number 3. I think that Beatstars is getting a lot better. I don't know if anybody saw the announcement that Aiden made today. Now it's 19 something a year. And I really wish that he saw this video and refunded me. I've been paying a lot more than that for years, we all have. But that's great news, and there's a few different things that we have access to if you're interested in Beatstars publishing. That's free now with your account. And I've only ever sold beats from the marketplace. I think I sold one from the pro account, so I canceled that a long time ago. But if you're interested in the pro account, that's now $149 a year, or like $14 something a month, which is a really good deal for everything that you're getting. Final hot take. Unlike what everybody says, if you just throw your beats up on Beatstars and you have a huge catalog, you will sell. Regardless of whether or not you have a YouTube channel, regardless of whether or not you took a course, regardless of whether or not you spammed everybody and their mom with emails, you will sell if you have a Beatstars account. Why do I think that? This is anecdotal again, take it with a pinch of salt, but I sell. And if you look at the streams that I get on my type beats, it's not from YouTube. And if you saw the size of my email list, it's definitely not from that either. Offer free downloads, and people will lease your beats. As your beats get leased, you get pushed to the top of Beatstars. And so Beatstars becomes its own ecosystem without needing anything on the outside. Again, this is anecdotal and these are my hot takes. This may not work for you, but this is definitely what's worked for me. I've been binging on content of beat makers telling everybody how to sell beats. I don't agree with almost any of it. Some of it's outdated, most of it's outdated. Some of it's from a 13-year-old boy that just started to grow a mustache, and a lot of it's from charlatans. Do what you do best, create, be consistent, and you will sell. I promise.